Yeah, my people. You know I tower this. The I tower. Real poor man, yeah. The youth used to down Naomi. 650 Northwest 71st Street. Naomi, that place there. Yeah, when my boss. And me boss Naomi. You understand? Naomi, and me boss it and move to our own thing. And I build it up and now. So let me tell you about that thing. Yeah, my people. You see, sometime when you say shit, you have to dash it in the toilet. Every time you say shit, you have to dash it in the toilet. See? Leave shit in the toilet. Let me tell you about a little boy named Danny Vengeance. A little boy there is a liar. He's dead for hungry. Long time I'm a crackhead and cokehead around the place. Miami me there, you know, as me tell you. Me know the whole of them boy there. The boy named Danny Vengeance. Because the word bake it, you know, and me go listen to the song Smoke and Bake. See? So sometime when you don't say shit, you don't dash it in the toilet, or every time when you say shit, you don't throw it in the toilet. And then boy, they a piece of shit. The boy named Danny. Alright, let me tell you something now, people. You can go look on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Check the history about this. And me bring them boy, they come and Naomi, put them on party show and them thing there, and try highlight them to the world. When me I left Naomi, the boy go against me. With the white people them around there. The owner of them, you can go around there, go ask them. Him know me used to hustle up on the block and them thing there. So you know man leave some local customer around there and them thing there. Some people where we run left. So the boy, you know, got round there and after me bring him round there and go against me with the people them. So him end up and start living at the back of Naomi. I play use man, you know when people house cleaner, we sweep up the people in backyard and them thing there. That him in a do, sweep up yard. Round there for Naomi them. If you take over the place, so him could have take over the place and keep party and them sitting there. Alright, yeah. So him a go run the place. So now him start hustling at the place and them thing there. Me not lie to you, but check out the history. So what the boy do now? I hustle behind the people them out. Them not like him because him a wicked. Him go over and live. Them kick him out of the back of Naomi. Him go at the neighbor right behind Naomi as you can see on the video where him shoot the man. The house where him live are right behind Naomi. Because him go park up him van behind the people them house and live around there. So you know him a hustle out of the van and where street side the boy live pan, you know, smoke crack in him van, you know. Have him look a boy in him van, you know. A smoke crack. You understand what I say? And I live in a van with the little boy. Police all come on the history. Come pull him and I say, boy, what you do with little boy? You look a son in the van. I don't have dildo on them thing there in the van. Anyway, history. Saying that boy there is a piece of shit. But him at this Mavado. A piece of shit. And I like me I defend Mavado, you know. But that boy there a piece of lie and piece of shit. Him kill the little youth and get a little fame off it. Because you know some little youth see him on the roadside and hustle and want a fame and go after him. And you understand? Him overcome and win him for ease him blood clot self and stop spread pure life on the internet and tell pure life. Anyway, and me, Mavado them link with, because I mean when I go to youth them ask John Hill and the dog them. I mean know the gully dog. So him a say, yo, you know so the boy have a little thing a go on. Where, we want to find him. So I mean, send the man Naomi where him still a catch up around, they go find the boy, you know, and do a little intro for the man. Him come, the man no owe him no money, man, them give him $500 or $600 and him go buy crack with it and wake up the morning and forgot say, yo, are you too small and not enough crack money to go buy crack. And them fool him. I mean, I like mix up, you know. But me say, when you say shit, you have to dash it in the toilet. As me I say, them boy, they a piece of shit. Don't make him humiliate the people them and try this Mavado. Because Mavado a good clean youth. That boy, they a piece of shit. Mavado have him family, them a Jamaica, you know. And I look up to, you know. Enough ghetto youth, you know. See? A Portmore me come from, so you know who me. See? Half a Gaza we, you don't know half a Gaza we come from, you know. Newland me come from, you know. So you are going. Me not take side with no Mavado or a big up Mavado thing. But understand when you see shit to that shit tonight, toilet, that boy the piece of liar. That we turn him in a somebody, you know, and him betray we, you know, and stay around at the place, you know, and I try to run it, you know. After the boys see we are leave out of the community, you know, because of you know, and we are got different place. Even though we never want the boy they run me, cause about 10, well if them stay around there. But the boy all go against the next man them around there, and them thing them go get a little license gun to get power and shoot down people and think him a power. License gun them a walk with, you know, a send chat with, you know. Go sit down over there so you look fool. A piece of shit that, you know. Think nobody out of fear, you know. I'm to the boy there. Remember right now with a new place I come, saying Rasta Village, and we not deal with shit around here. Pay good people we are deal with. I'm glad him cut off him jet, you know, because he used to have jet, you know. Go look on the poor man birthday bash if you not see the boy a perform on it. With him dirty jet. Piece of dirty jet, you know, piece of shit, you know. Me no like that, you know, when I chat about my father, you know, when me know say a lie I tell. That boy the a piece of shit, I him a the shit, a junkyard the boy work, you know. I care him selling up people. The boy a piece of shit. I care the boy Danny sell. Bake it, go check out the smoke and bake video. I mean him, you understand, Jai Tower smoke and bake. See? Smoke and bake. And the boy them round there sit down for my name and hear all my music and his slang and them thing and take up a go on like him come up with bake it. The boy they a piece of shit. Him feel leave my father alone and go sit down over there. So people don't believe in that piece of shit there, you know. That's him in the toilet. Fame him a look and some look of money, you know. Cause the fame gone down, you know. Nobody no respect bake it again, you know. That time they run out, you know. So him want back a piece of food, you know. I'm a general them a roll with up the road, you know. I'm a general them for stop road with shit too, you know. Some people when me know him a roll with, you know. Him for stop roll with piece of shit, you know. Cause that's true, me no want to tell the people. But now them hear me attack, them a go stop roll with shit. Cause me no pay attention to the boy thing. But now me see him a go on like him want go on the internet again and get rich. And go on like him want this. You understand? Boy, take your fame and do your thing. But don't this real general in the thing. And some real soldier. Cause I remember some real youth out there too, you know. I want to your boy. You forgot your license gun you walk with. Again, let me tell you people. And now you me the boy used to live around at my place. And the boy betray me. When you go look it up, you know, me name Jai Tower, you know. Go look up Jai Tower birthday bash. You can see the boy perform on it. And me first bust him out and the boy betray me when him see me leave the place and think him could run it back. After them send police come lock down my place and I say, alright, new thinking and new dealings. And I got bang and new place me there, I don't want them around me, that's why them couldn't come around me, you know. But through the boy kill the boy and get a little fame and fight. You don't know him kill the soldier and overcome. Cause we not uphold fuck with, cause the boy go rob him, boy for dead. We rob him. But don't take it and go on like, yeah, you're lower ranking. Pussy, you're not lower ranking. Rest in peace, lower ranking, me general. Shatter 1, shatter 2. Rest in peace. That boy they a piece of shit named Danny. And me name Smoke and Beer. That boy they for go. Nothing with beer. They look at one fame, him for take it and go on like him look at one viral. Where my this my father for? My father save him blood clot. Make Jamaica people that recognize him and give him an inch. My father, where you go give him an inch for? You wrong for that too, you know. If you don't go get a look of shithead inch, you know. And him want coke in the studio for smoke and the white boy wouldn't give him this coke, you know. You remember, said the white boy tell him, say, don't come in the studio with the coke. You think me not true, me not dead there? Me know what go on over there, you know. With DJ call them studio, you know. Me a Rasta youth, you know, me know, and I mix up, you know. So when you see me come attacking on some true real thing, me I tell you, know. But look it up, you know. You understand? My father, the whole of them know me already. Portmore me come from. Used to, you know, the whole music. The whole Kingston. Me no grew up a country like some boy. A Kingston city we grew up. Portmore Spanish town. Likes goes out. Love goes out. Joe Blaine, the whole place. I want to the crackhead Danny there. But sit down over there so and stop chat about the man. And I disrespect the man. While I crack you want go buy. You want money to go buy crack down. You want money to go buy crack. My father, don't get the boy no more money to go buy no crack, you know. Don't get the shithead no more money, you know, my father. Burn out the boy be a kid, you know, my father. Shithead that, you know. YouTube, take him off on the channel now, because you know, to stop promote liar to, you know, YouTube. Stop promote some boy we are going to tell lie on YouTube. And I look fame for people, you know. And I disrespect people. You know, for this, you know, for know this, you know. And lie, you know. And tricks, you know. That boy, they a piece of shit named Danny. Listen, me people, me not lie to you know. Me no company YouTube for chat, piece of shit. That boy, they are gone. We not go around that boy there in a piece of shit. We don't want to go around that boy there. You know why? Because a piece of shit. We don't go around shit. And the dog them will roll with a piece of shit. And I tell him cut him off, you know. Because them keep a little short the road with them what they are, you know. And a flap thing, you know. I want him to know. Nobody don't want to see him, you know. You think people, and a boy will just kill people and them thing there. And then I fame over it and I go on like, it's all good. Hey boy, go away from here, man. Lord, my father, I'll top tell like, my father, don't give him no crap money, you know. Remember this, you know. Cartel nah give him $1, you know. Because he want to go link with Cartel, you know. Cartel nah give him nothing, you know. Cartel no want to see him, you know. Cartel no like that boy there, you know. Him can't come to Gaza, you know. Portmore me come from, you know. That boy there can't come over Portmore, you know. Nowhere over here, you know. Move and go back over where him come from. Probably a country him come from, you know. That boy there, you know. You know, so where me know where him come from. Up at Portland, the boy come from, you know. And I come chat shit, you know. Don't make him chick on you know. People, me know him. Me know that boy there. He used to par with the next dog when me know up a Merrimar, you know. You know, so the dog have to cut left him. Run left him. Because him plan for him and him friend them rob the dog 10 pounds of weed, you know. You don't know, it's a piece of shit that. The dog wouldn't give him the weed. Love him out. Piece of shit.